Hello there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to style my short natural hair using just gel. If your hair is 2 inches and below and you want to learn how to style it, then you need to watch this video till the end. So I'm using the VO5 Femme Hold Gel. I got it from the supermarket, so you can check any cosmetics shop or a supermarket, you likely see it there. I'm starting off by parting the hair into the style I want. I wanted to do a corner part, so I'm just trying to part it so that I can put the gel in that direction. This is me still trying to get the right part. I'm still contemplating, whether the part should come down or should be up close to the center and the rest. Okay, my hair has been moisturized with water and oil, so the hair is about 30% wet. I just combed the hair and took the gel. So yeah, eventually I got my perfect corner part, my perfect parting. So yeah, after getting the part, I'm gonna put the gel in. So this is me just taking out the gel and applying it on my hair. The gel is a bit sticky though. I think gel is very sticky, so yeah. You can start your gel application from anywhere. Me, I decided to start from the part because I felt it would be easy for the hair to just slip through the part. So that's why I started from the part. Then I went to the back and just applied the gel on the hair. I just tried applying it on every part, like allow the gel to touch every part of the hair. So I just applied the gel on my hair. The key to this style is trying to apply to every part of your hair and make sure it enters the hair, and then you can use a comb to comb it so that the gel can do its job. The job of the gel is to hold it. So try applying the gel on each strand of the hair. The comb is to help it enter and give you that hold you want. So that's what I'm just doing. I applied at the back. Use the comb to comb. You can also use a bristle brush to brush. But when I comb it, I wanted to still get rid of any tangles on my hair. You can choose to use a bristle brush to brush it down. And I still felt the comb is more gentle than a bristle brush for my hair, so I used the comb to comb it down. The process is long and seamless, so if you're trying it for the first time, it may be tiring, but just keep going, it's worth it in the end. So if you notice from this video, like from at first it will look like the gel is not gelling it enough, but don't give up, just keep on adding more gel and combing. It just requires patience. When the hair has been saturated with the gel, you will see it slipping. So this front was looking like it was not going to slip, but I just continue applying the gel. I continue combing it through, and then you see it at the end. You see how well it came out. You see how well it came out. So the process is quite simple. You apply the gel, comb or brush, use your hand to slip it in. Then like repeat the process again till you are satisfied with the way the hair is looking. You get, so I did it several times. I kept on applying the gel, combing, and using my hands to try slip it in so it stays flat. You can use any natural hair gel of your choice. You can use Eco Styler, Gorilla Snot Gel, VO5, just any gel for natural hair. The most important thing is how you apply the gel and how you comb it in your hair. You have to apply it very well. You have to be patient while applying it. You have to apply it over and over again for it to stay. So you can see little by little the hair is taking shape, and I'm glad. The thing about styling short natural hair is that you have to be very patient. It's not like long hair that maybe if this style does not work, you just tuck one end to the other end and form another style. For short natural hair, you have to be intentional. You have to style every bit or every part of the hair. Else, it will just show that there's a mistake somewhere. Do you get it? If you don't style it very well, so you have to be intentional about every part, and that needs patience. So once while styling your short natural hair, you may get tired that, oh, I don't want to do it again, this one is not working. But just if you're patient and you try to put it in the right style, it will work. It will work. Just be patient, and with time you get used to it. You get used to the touching every part of your hair to put it in a style. At this point, I'm satisfied with the sleep. Like, I'm the hair slept, the way the hair stayed. So I just style the fronts, just make it stylish. That's what I'm using the comb to do, to just do that small edges kind of style. So just watch how I did it. To maintain this style, you need a satin scarf, a satin or silk scarf. Um, Satin bonnets don't really work for me for this style, so I prefer using a scarf when on this style. I just tie it around my hair before I sleep, like tie it around my head before I sleep. It keeps the style in place, and make sure you don't leave the gel on your hair for too long. You can leave it tops for 1 week. A week you can just wash it off so that your scalp can breathe. So that's just it. And if you want to maintain the style, if the hair is looking a bit bumpy, just take gel and gel that place off. But it's not advisable to leave it gel on your hair for a long time. So here's the style. Is it something you like to try? Let me know in the comment section. And if you've ever tried this style, also let me know too. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.